as everyone knows, there are a lot of cool things, a lot of cool features that Blender has that not everybody uses. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the cool thing you could do with a translucent shader in shader BSDF, whatever, in Blender. And we'll take this little time to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and we'll get started right after the intro. Yeah, I say that in every video. Oh, well, right after the intro.
Okay, so this is the right into that we are jumping. So I'll just go hit A, delete everything over there. Add a UV sphere. I think I'll just allow it to be just like that. Okay, I'll scale it up. Add a plane, scale it up. I'm gonna be using a cloth simulation, so go ahead and add a cloth. And on the plane, add collision. I think you know where we're going from now. Oh yeah, I think I need to subdivide this a bunch of times. 100 would be okay. Okay. Yeah, so it just falls down. So the angle we're going to be looking at is from the bottom. So I'm just going to wait until it looks okay. You might notice that the cloth is entering it into itself. So I'm just gonna add the self collision over here, and I think I'm gonna increase the quality steps to 7. And yeah, let's play again. So when you get it to a point where you actually like it, I don't think I actually like this, but I don't want it to waste so much time. Okay, so of course for the cloth, gonna be adding transparent. I said it earlier, and for this, I think I'm gonna be adding an emission. Should be good now, hopefully. Cycles. Okay, so for this, I'll pick any color I want. You could go with blue, and you can see it's forming this kind of awesome kind of looking effect. And you could actually go ahead and if I'll maybe change this back to white. And wait. White, okay. Now change the color of this and see how this will look. And yeah, different kind of things you can do, a bunch of things. I tweaked it a bunch of times to get that result. That's a lot of times, trust me. Yeah, so this video, if you like it, smash the like button, subscribe, and notification bell. And yeah,